The EAC game violation error in Hell Let Loose typically stems from issues with easy anti-cheat, EA corrupted game files, or background software conflicts. Here's how to resolve it. 1. Verify game files. 1. Open the Epic Games launcher or Steam, depending on where you purchased the game. 2. Navigate to your library and find Hell Let Loose. 3. Right-click the game and select Properties Steam or click the three dots Epic. 4. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files Steam or Verify Epic. 5. Let the process finish and restart your PC. 2. Repair Easy Anti-Cheat EAC. 1. Go to the game installation folder. Default location C, Program Files, x86x, Common Hell Let Loose Easy Anti-Cheat. 2. Open Easy Anti-Cheat Setup.exe. 3. Select Hell Let Loose from the drop-down menu. 4. Click Repair Service and wait for the process to complete. 5. Restart your computer and relaunch the game. 3. Check for software conflicts. Some third-party programs may interfere with EAC. Disable or close the following software while playing: VPNs or proxies, overlay apps, e.g. Discord, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, Steam Overlay, antivirus programs, add Hell Let Loose and EAC to the antivirus exception list. 4. Update system drivers. Ensure your graphics, network, and system drivers are up to date. For NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience or visit the NVIDIA website. For AMD, use the AMD Software Adrenaline Edition or visit the AMD website. 5. Disable overclocking or hardware monitoring tools. Overclocking or hardware monitoring tools like MSI Afterburner can trigger the error. Disable them before launching the game. 6. Reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat. 1. Uninstall EAC. Go to easyanticheatsetup.exe, same as above, and select Uninstall. 2. Reinstall EAC. Open the setup again and select Install. 7. Reinstall Hell Let Loose. If the error persists, uninstall and reinstall the game. This ensures no corrupted files remain. Contact Easy Anti-Cheat Support. If none of the above works, visit the Easy Anti-Cheat Support page, easy.ac.support, for further assistance. Let me know if you'd like help with additional troubleshooting or any specific details.